The hardest thing in real estate was getting listings, but I found the secret, and it's Wise Pelican. They talked to me about a postcard that they had, and that was a secret recipe. I now have 8 listings, all from Wise Pelican. Wise Pelican made the difference in my life. I don't know how to explain it, but my whole world changed. I was blown away. Went over to the house. They had a postcard, and it was from the mailer, and all they wanted to do was talk about how they had this postcard. They wanted to list their house with me. And all I want to say is thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have the majority of the community now. They call me Queen of Margaritaville. That thanks to Wise Pelican.